Hello, welcome to Best Budget Info. Today I will show the 4 best 360 dashcams. Let's see what we have in this episode go together. On number 1 we have Rixang 360 dashcam. 360 panoramic view design. Achieve no dead angle monitoring of the whole car environment, easily view side collisions. Disputes in the car, making the evidence more comprehensive and security is guaranteed. The dashcam screen will automatically switches to the reversing image when the reverse gear engaged. With 3UP's touchscreen, shows the rear environment and trigger guideline for safe parking. The front camera built-in super wide-angle fisheye lenses, which capture the road front and inside passenger simultaneously. Adjustable lenses can be up to front, right or left, with waterproof backup camera. This dashcam can record front cabin and rear simultaneously. A well-hidden witness that captures all events encountered on the road. Front camera captures 1440 by 1440 video at 30 fps. Wide dynamic range allows the camera to perform optimally in any lighting situation by adjusting the exposure to create balanced images and footage. On number 2 we have Type S 360-degree dashcam. Record 360 around the vehicle and cabin simultaneously in crystal clear 1080p HD resolution. Get 24-hour surveillance for your vehicle with park and record mode, featuring G-sensor technology to automatically capture and save video 10 seconds before and 10 seconds after movement is detected. Whenever a low-light environment is detected, night vision automatically kicks in to continue a crystal clear HD recording. Using the Type S Drive app, you can control and watch recorded videos from your Type S 360 Smart HD dashcam. The Type S 360 Smart HD dashcam includes a 12V power adapter and hardwire cable, so you're equipped for either installation option. Start off with an included 16GB Class 10 SD card, and upgrade anytime with a memory card capacity of up to 128GB. On number 3 we have Razo DC3000A dashcam. DC3000A model utilizes 360-degree lenses to clearly capture everything in front, around and even inside your vehicle. It has one built-in 360 view camera lenses that are capable of recording everything in approximately 4K recording. Its recording range is 360, with viewing angles of 360 degrees horizontally and 360 degrees all in one camera. Drive action recorder that can capture everything in 360 degrees both inside and outside of your car. With the optional purchase of DC200i, the camera will record the videos while the engine is off, such as parking. With the optional purchase of DC100i, the camera can be used as a HD action camera. On number 3 we have WiseUP 360 dashcam. It provides the driver a clear 360-degree panoramic view around a car or vehicle. Universal for all the cars and vehicles length less than 6 meters. Video screen automatically switches according to the driving directions. Start or stop video recording automatically after ignition is on or off. Support continuous video recording after ignition is off if powered by car battery. Stop video recording automatically when the car battery voltage is lower than 11.5 V. Support 4 channels continuous video recording and saved as time synchronized time-stamped video. Support 4 channels playback at the same time. Support 1 channel audio input and 1 channel video output. The recorded video format is AVI. Package includes 4 PCS wide view angle car cameras, 1x4ch mini SD card car DVR, 1x 7 inches TFT LCD color monitor, 1x 6 meters power and video cable, 1x 4 meters power and video cable, 2x 2 meters power and video cable, 1x power cable with filter and fuse box attached, 1x DVR button extension cord, 1x infrared signal receiver extension cord, 1x remote controller, 1x micro SD card reader and 1x hole saw. So these are some of the best 360 dashcams for car. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe my channel for future updates.